Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I am here with my latest project. It's chocolate paper roses. Check it out. I made these with the same paper rose technique that I showed you in my earlier video, except that I eliminated one step and I put Hershey's Kisses in there. That's what this center gold bulb is. I created this cone out of an 8x8 sheet of paper. And here's a little Sizzix die that I had that I decided to use with some shiny gold cardstock and a little key. This is all part of a Sizzix die. And I adorned it with some ribbon here. So I'm going to teach you all how to make this. Take a look at it from this angle. There's a half dozen chocolate paper roses in here, all with a leaf and a full stem. So let's get started. As I said before, we're going to use the same paper rose technique that we used before. So we're going to start off with three 2.5-inch flowers that I cut from my George Basic Shapes cartridge. You can also use the Accent Essentials. There's a 6-petal rose there. You can use that one or any cartridge that has a 5 or 6-petal rose. I'm doing the 5-petal roses because those are the ones I like, and that's what I've always made, and I'm very comfortable making it with the 5-petal roses. So you're going to take and you're going to fold your first flower in half, make a slit, fold it in half again, make another slit. Let's go back to this one here. You're going to cut off one petal as I did right here. So you're going to cut that off. That's your second piece. Your third piece, you are going to cut off 2 petals. So kind of like cutting off a heart shape of the die cut. And there you have it. Those are the 3 pieces you need. You're going to repeat this step for the following 2 cutouts. You're going to turn this over and you're going to fold it into itself and apply a little bit of adhesive. I use hot glue because it's what I like. It's fast and it's inexpensive. So that's why I use hot glue. And this is a project that's not going to be around for long. I don't have to worry about it being acid free. So you're going to form this little cone. Second step, same deal. Fold it into itself. You're going to apply a little bit of adhesive and hold down for a second or 2. Form your cone and you're done. Now you're going to take a stylus or a chopstick or anything that will allow you to roll these petals back. So you're going to roll the petals back, every single petal. There you go. And you're going to repeat it for all of the pieces. And again, this is kind of a repeat of what I showed you in my previous tutorial. But I figured I'll go through it again for those who haven't seen my previous tutorial. It's a little more detailed, so if you're not catching up, you might want to go back and watch that one. Now you're going to assemble the flower. You're going to apply some adhesive to the largest 5-petal cut. You're going to stick that flower right in the center of that cross, as I call it, and you're going to form your rose. You might get a few petals that might unfold. Just roll them back. You're going to repeat the same process and you're going to stick the other one in. Remember, ladies, if you decide to use the hot glue gun, please be careful. I don't want anyone getting burned and saying, Kathy from Paper Phenomenon said use a hot glue gun. So just be careful. Now, you have your rose formed. It's absolutely adorable the way it is, but we're going to jazz it up just a little more. You're going to need Hershey Kisses. You're going to need 2 Hershey's Kisses. What I did was apply a little glue dot to the bottom of one of them and stuck them together because it's just easier for me to work with it. Then you're going to need a piece of tissue paper. You can also use cellophane, red tissue paper, whatever you like. You're going to fold it over. Then you're going to fold again, cross it, and then you're going to fold one more time and cross it. Then you're going to just smash the bottom and twist it around. And you kind of form what is it? You call this a bud. which fits perfectly in your paper rose. And there's your chocolate treat. So now to get it in there, you're gonna have to put some hot glue, or you can use a glue dot for those of you who are worried about the chocolate melting, but I just blow it. So I blow it a little bit, let it cool off, and then I just stick my chocolate piece in there and twist around to make sure that I still get that twisted effect of the bun. So here I have an all finished one. I sprayed this one with Glimmer Mist. Glimmer Mist is a liquid shiny substance that you spray. It's made by Tattered Angels, and you spray it on and it gives you a beautiful shiny luster. If you get the colored ones, it kind of changes the color of your paper, but this is a gold one, so it gave it a shiny gold hue. Okay, now for the stem part. You're going to need a piece of 12 by 4 cardstock. You're going to cut it about 4 inches down, 5 slits, make kind of a fringe look here. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll it. You're going to make a tiny, tiny, tiny fold, because this would allow you to roll. Tiny fold again. You continue. Oopsie. Continue to roll all the way till you're done. Okay, so you roll. You apply some adhesive, and you get something that looks like this. Okay, this is what it looks like. You're going to bend these back, alternating whichever way it allows you to fold, because you're going to want to find the center right here. You apply some glue to the center. You can be generous with that. Then you're going to take your flower and you're going to stick it right there in the center. And this also helps you get some leaves. So I think that's super cute. Okay. Now once your flower is adhered, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to form some leaves. And that's how I just do that. Nothing special. Just cut around, form some leaves, and you're done. If you have too many leaves, you can take a couple out. This is what I do. I just snip it off and we're done. So there's your flower, ladies. Now you go on and you make several others of these and you form your cone, and here is your bouquet. And this is just the cutest Valentine's Day gift for your honey, for your kids, anybody you love. You just create this lovely little bouquet, and they also have a treat. So there it is. Thank you for watching. Visit my blog at www.paperphenomenon.blogspot.com. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.